Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I am going to be talking about the notifications on Galaxy Watch 4 and how you can set them up for the best experience. Now you can go through the notification settings on the Galaxy Watch 4 itself, but the best way to do that is through the Galaxy Wear app on your phone, and that is exactly what we are going to be doing here. And there are 5 main settings that you need to set up to make sure that your notifications are optimized for Galaxy Watch 4. So let's go through these settings now. Go in the Galaxy Wear app and then go in watch settings. And here the first option you will see is notifications. Now there are a lot of settings here and some of them can be overwhelming, so I will try to simplify them as much as possible. The first option here is show phone notifications on watch, but it goes deeper than that. If you tap on it, there are actually 2 settings here. The first one is show alerts when phone not in use. It actually tells you what exactly it means. When the phone screen is off or locked, notifications will be sent to your watch if you're wearing it. The second option is show alerts even when phone in use. So even if you are using your phone and the screen is on and you're actively using it, you will receive those notifications on the phone, but you will still get them on the watch as well. Now I prefer to not use this option because if I'm using the phone and I'm getting the notifications, I can attend to them right there at that time. I don't need extra notifications on my watch as well, but it's your preference, whatever you want to choose here. But below that you will read something else here. What it basically says that if you have companion apps on your phone and watch, and an example of this could be the Google Keep app. So I have Keep app on the phone and I also have Keep app on the watch. Now if I set a reminder for a specific task on my phone, I will get the notification from the phone. Now even if I turn off the Google Keep notification for the phone app, I will receive that notification because I still have Google Keep installed on the watch, and this will send me the notification. So this is an important step to understand and manage. Moving on, the next option is mute notifications on phone, and it also tells you what it does. So phone notifications allowed on your watch will be muted on your phone when you are wearing your watch. So if you turn this option on, it will basically skip the notifications on the phone and send them straight to your watch, given that you are wearing the watch at that time. Next step is specific apps that you can go into and manage each app's notification separately. Now for a lot of them, you will see that you can either turn the notifications on or you can turn them off, but some of them will give you additional settings like WhatsApp here and messages here. So if I go in WhatsApp, you can see that I have got 2 WhatsApp because we have dual messenger option on Samsung phones. We can turn on the second WhatsApp option. So I have notifications turned on for both of them, but it also gives you additional options here. You can customize watch notification style. Not too much customization is available, but simple stuff is available. You can set up to get an alert or silent notifications, and then you can select notification sound and notification vibration type. So based on these 2 things, you will know instantly if you are getting a notification from a specific app on your watch. So you can do this as well. So make sure to go through this list and find these additional settings for these apps and set them up. On the top here, you can also categorize these apps to take a look at them quickly. So you can see allowed on watch. So all the apps that you have allowed the notifications for on the watch will be here, and you can see blocked on watch. So for all of these apps, I will not be getting any notifications on the watch. So you can go through them quickly and manage your notifications for individual apps very quickly through this. Moving on, next step is sync do not disturb with phone. Now basically what this does is that if you turn this feature on, when you will turn on the do not disturb mode on your watch, it will also turn on the do not disturb mode on your phone. And if you're like me and you have also set up the bedtime mode here on the watch, which actually also turns on the do not disturb mode, whenever you will turn this feature on the watch at night, it will put your phone in do not disturb mode as well if this option is turned on, because the do not disturb on the watch and the phone is synced. And then finally we have advanced notification settings. Now these settings basically deal with how notifications show up on your watch, and there are actually some privacy options here as well. So let's go through them. If we go in here, first of all, you will get the notification indicator, that orange notification indicator that you see here, that's the one. Then second option is read notifications aloud. Now don't worry here, your watch will not start reading your notifications aloud when you're in public or something like that. This setting only applies when you have Bluetooth headphones connected to your watch. You will get the notifications read aloud in your ears. It's totally private and it does not work when headphones are connected to your phone. It only works when headphones are connected directly to your watch. Next up we have show with details. So show the details of new notifications automatically. So the example of this could be if you receive a WhatsApp message on your phone and you have the notifications for the watch turned on, the watch will show you the contact you are receiving the message from, and it will also show you first 1 or 2 lines of the message as well. And next one is turn on screen. So whenever you will receive a notification on the watch, it will turn the screen on. So if you have both of these features turned on, this might not be good for the privacy, because as soon as you receive a message, the screen will turn on and you will see the message with details. Now, if you're not paying attention to that message or that notification at that time and you are in public, someone else around you might be able to read that notification. This is just a scenario to make you understand how these features work. And finally, we have a very self-explanatory feature here, turn on for new apps. Any new apps you will install on your phone, if you have this feature turned on, their notifications for your watch will be automatically on. You will not have to do anything about them. So these are all the notification settings for Galaxy Watch 4 and how you can set them up. It is very important to understand these notification settings. I know they are a little bit overwhelming, but once you understand them, they are very easy and simple to use. And once you set them up, you will get the best notification performance on your watch. So that's about it from this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it and learned something new. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.